Choosing the wrong credit card in the United States can actually cost you a lot of money, but the right one can help you earn money back on your everyday spending. In this video, I'll show you some of the best credit cards for beginners in the USA, and how to choose the right one even if you're just starting. First, let's understand this. A credit card is not just for spending, it's a tool. If you use it smartly, you build your credit score, you get rewards like cashback, and you unlock better financial opportunities in the future. Part 2: What to look for. Important. If you're a beginner, don't just pick any random card. Look for these 3 things. Number 1, no annual fee. You don't want to pay just to own a card. Number 2, cashback rewards. Some cards give you money back on groceries, fuel, or online shopping. Number 3, easy approval. As a beginner, you need a card that is easy to get. Part 3: Types of cards. Now let's talk about the types of cards you should consider. First, cashback cards. These are perfect for beginners because you earn money back on daily spending. Second, secured credit cards. If your credit score is low or you're just starting, this is the safest option. Third, student credit cards. If you're a student, these are designed specifically for you. Part 4: Common mistakes. Very important. Now this is where most people go wrong. They spend more than they can repay. They miss payments. And they apply for too many cards at once. Avoid these mistakes, and your credit score will grow naturally. If you choose the right credit card and use it smartly, it can actually help you build wealth over time. Follow Smart Dollar Lab for more simple and practical money tips.